So in the last example, we were given the functions and the domain, and we had to write the graph or draw the graph. Now we're given the graph, and we need to write out our function and our domain. So let's take a look at what we have. We have three equations, right? We have a blue equation, we have a yellow equation, and we have a green equation. Okay, let's take a look at the green equation first. So for our green equation, we have a y-intercept of 4, so we can say f of x equals 4, and we're going down, so it's going to be down 1 to the right one, down 1 to the right one, so negative x plus 4, okay? But what are our restrictions, okay? It's f of x equals negative x plus 4 when we go from negative 3 to 0, but we don't include those values. So it's negative 3 is less than x, which is less than 0. Okay, I'm sorry for the phone ringing in the background. All right, now let's take a look at our yellow equation. For our yellow equation, let's take a look at what we have. I'm not going to use yellow ink here because it won't. Will it show up? Let's find out. All right, we have a y-intercept of 0. Okay, and we're going up 1 to the right one this time. So it's going to be 1 over 1x, so just x plus 0. When, and let's look at it, it's colored in, so it's when 0 is less than or equal to x. See how it just goes on forever? See the arrow? So we don't have to put anything on the other side. All right, one more equation to look at. In our last equation, okay, for this one, if we extended this line, we'd see we're at negative 2. So we have f of x is equal to negative 2. And that is when everything is less than or equal to negative 3. So we're going to say when x is less than or equal to negative 3. So moral of this question, in my opinion, is to look at it piece by piece. Don't try to solve it all at once. Find your starting point. Find your slope. Look at your dots to see if they're less than or equal to, and so on. And then it makes it much easier to manage from there.